Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiandra Robinson, and I mainly make videos that are like lifestyle, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of DIY, and just little things that I like to share throughout my day. So today's video, I'm going to share with you a bit of my morning routine. And I'll take you on a little tour to show you some of the changes that I made for spring. So what I have here is basically what I have for breakfast on most mornings, and my calendar that I use to organize my week and day. I generally like to start off with some hydration. I usually have the water, and I usually put this airborne supplement in it. It has vitamin C to boost my immune system. And right now, I am taking the hair, skin, and nails gummies to stay healthy, and the cranberry juice for gut health. I love the Yoplait, I hope I'm saying that right, yogurt, some fresh fruit, and a couple of boiled eggs. So I don't like to eat really heavy in the mornings. I work from home, so I'm really not active. Okay, so let's get into this. And I'm going to give you like 8 different things that I do to sort of structure my morning routine and set my day off so that I'm very intentional about what I'm going to do today and how I am going to enjoy this day. All right. So, number one is to identify the dominant goal of the day. So for me, the dominant goal of today is that I want to be a day of planting seeds. And by planting seeds, I mean, doing something or saying something that will not just show all of its fruits today, but do something that's going to make tomorrow or the future better. Number two, view today as an investment for tomorrow. Again, you want to do something that will pay off in the future. It could be, reading a book so that you're more knowledgeable in your area of expertise, or reading the Bible so that, you can be better prepared for what is to come in the future and you can handle it better. Um, for my business, an example would be I could create an ad today that's going to lead to a campaign in the future. For example, spring started this weekend. My spring colors. And I put up a graphical image that said it's spring. So when I did that, what I was doing was really, celebrating the change of the season with my customers, and I was really intentional about that to get people, in the mood for transitioning, because now I'm going to begin to roll out some of my merchandise for the spring, and that will be coming soon. Okay. Number three, name the theme of the day. Today will be a day of planting seeds, is my theme. Number four, prophesy your day. Tell your day what it will be. Again, like my theme says, I told today that it will be a day of planting seeds. This is what will happen at 1, or this is what you will do today. So at 1 o'clock, I know that I'm going to, eat lunch and either go out back and relax a little bit to clear my head and enjoy nature, or go for a brisk walk at the park for my lunch hour. And today, I am going to be very intentional about the things that I do to make sure that I continue to build, that I continue to appreciate the things that I have and my surroundings. the peace and the joy that I have been gifted today. Remember this statement: I don't work for my day, the day is my servant. So when I wake up, I'm very intentional. It's a gift, especially during these times, to be given another day. So I wake up with the mindset of, I'm going to make this day work for me. I'm not going to let people dictate how my day is going to go. I'm not going to let things bother me in a way that it's going to get me distracted and make my day go to the left, to the right, or in circles. So I'm very intentional about, making sure that this day serves me. Number 5, standardize parts of your day. So if you're a morning person, create a morning routine. It could be reading your Bible. It could be drinking your coffee at a certain time. It could be journaling. It could be many things. It could be something like this: taking the time to sit down and plan out your day. Or it could be, I want to read my Bible for 45 minutes. I don't read my Bible that much, like I should, but sometimes I do read it, and I'll say, well, I'm going to read 2 chapters today. I'm going to start small, baby steps. Number 6, identify 3 things that will inspire you today. 3 things that will inspire me today. Definitely my children, whether they're doing good or bad. My kids inspire me. Kids are a gift. They're loaned to us. They're not our property. And my kids mostly are, young adults now, so they're transitioning and being more independent, but they inspire me. Another thing that inspires me is nature. It's so beautiful outside, and if I have time during this video, I'm going to take you for a spin outside as I conclude this video. Another thing that's going to inspire me today, I like to listen to like T.D. Jakes, to build up my my spirit and my mind and knowledge. I like to watch the fashion vlogs, like I think her name is Monroe Steele. She moved here to South Florida recently, and she has these nice vlogs that show fashion and different lifestyles, and it's really nice. Even though I'm confined to the house right now, it's nice to watch something like that, to see somebody out enjoying life. See, another thing, I listen to affirmations. Let's see, who is it by? I think it's by World Vision, and they are like I am type of affirmations. But I like to listen to and feed my brain positive affirmations, visuals. So those are 3 things that will inspire me today. 7, journal 3 good things that happened today. This one I can't do in the morning, of course, because nothing has happened. But by the end of the day, I can look back and say, these 3 things happened. My child came to visit me, or my grandchild came to visit me, or just something good. A lot of times when I don't do this at the end of the day, I do it the next day, and I look back and say, oh, these 3 things happened. It was pretty cool, pretty good. You'd be surprised when you do this. You'd be like, oh, it was actually some interesting things that happened today. And, they're usually good things. Not that you won't have some bad things that happen during the day. That's life. But it's always some good in there. Always. Because what? God is good. And number 8, rest. This is very important. Okay? Comfort in change. There are 2 philosophies. You need to endure and escape to a better place. Endure the hard things in your life and escape to a better place. That is the rule of life. You could have a good day. Tomorrow something will come up and it'll make it seem like it's a bad day. But if you look at the bigger picture, it's all going to work towards your good. It all works out in the end. So sometimes you have to go through and endure those hard things that happen in your life. It could be a career change, it could be a relationship issue, it could be your children, it could be anything. And just know that when you endure the hard things, change will come, and you can expect to escape to a better place in the end. So those are just 8 things that I wanted to share with you, how I began to structure and think about my day, and I'll review them really quick for you. 1, identify the dominant goal of today. 2, view today as an investment for tomorrow. Do something today that will pay off in the future. 3, name the theme of the day. 4, prophesy your day and tell your day what it will be like. This is what will happen at 1. This is what you will do today. Those are examples. And remember, I don't work for my day. The day is my servant. Number 5, standardize parts of your day. Number 6, identify 3 things that will inspire you today. Number 7, journal 3 good things that happened today. And number 8, rest. Remember, comfort and change. This is the rule of life. Endure the hard things and escape to a better place. My escape is usually the beach. If I can't get to the beach, I go out back, and I'm going to show you that now. All right, before we go out back, I am going to show you a couple of the decorative changes that I made for the spring. You see my rose still is on. I was watching her vlog. I did put up this painting here over the TV. I didn't want to hang the TV. I know most people think you should hang the TV, but I just didn't want to do that. I wanted some artwork that's inspirational there. And then here, I got my seashells going, starfish, that's that. Of course, you've already seen the couch. But I did make some changes in the dining room. I put up this cute painting. It reminds me of Hawaii. Okay, I got some lights up for when it's dark. I'm gonna change that though. I don't really like the way those lights look. But of course it's spring, and I want to set the table, flowers. It's my wine bar over there. Some fresh flowers here. So with that, let me take you out back. Yes, we do have kitchen rules. All right, let's go out back. When I can't get away to the beach, God is so good. And Florida is beautiful, so this is my little refuge where I come out here and just relax, listen to the birds chirp. At night, I need to get a new one of those. At night, I do light that up, turn on these lights, a little bit of ambiance. Okay. That's my baby there. And yeah, Florida is very beautiful. It's a beautiful day today. It's not too hot. It's not too warm. This is the neighborhood. Here. So I usually come out here. This is usually flowering with really pretty pink flowers on it, but right now it's not. It's the palm trees. Look how beautiful the sky is. This is our mango tree, which is delicious, by the way. You can hear all the birds chirping everywhere. So let's be a little, aerial view of the neighborhood. We do live in the tropics, so everything is pretty much surrounded with greenery. Yeah. So that's it. Just wanted to show you when I can't get to the beach, I just come outside and chill. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be creating more content to come. If you want to see something in particular, like fashion videos, more vlogging, different areas here in South Florida, I will do that. But until the next time, thank you for watching. And thanks for subscribing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.